Birthday ko po kasi kahapon. So, I would like to honor the Lord by sharing you this music song written year 2021.
Wow!
It was Pastor Johnny Del Pacalinga who inspired me, no, that I can sing or share this song in a special day of my life. So it was written back 2021. First encounter with the Lord. Sa Life Giver Manila pa po. Online pa yon. And GMA po talaga. God's Masterpiece po talaga yung first physical attend ko ng Sunday service. Nasa likod po ako, naiiyak sa worship pa lang. Worship pa lang talagang ramdam na yung puspos ng Holy Spirit sa lugar po na ito. Baysapa po. So it was written for to God as a realization of what I really needed in life. And what are those things, no, that making me feel apart or away from the Lord? And what I am, what I really am, what is my identity without the Lord? So tara po, pakinggan po natin. Salvation is what I need. Your soft voice that stays up low. Lord, I can't stand another step without your breath. That guides me through the day. These thousands of foolishness of tears are the only barrier that's keeping me to be closer to you. And besides all I have failed, Lord, your name. Tell me how you be your child, be your child, as I am. Nothing without you. I need your grace. Salvation is what I need. You freed me from the chains of my sins. How could you be so good to me despite all of my flaws? You make me long for change. Amen. Praise the Lord po. Thank you.